Okay. Here's all the rules. I'll wash my hands on the doors.
Hey, dude.
Hmm?
All right. You guys having a good time?
Yes.
Okay. What are you doing, Jamali?
Recording riding on Ferris wheel.
Okay.
The Ferris wheel is about to depart. So
Ferris wheel is about to depart.
Yeah.
Okay.
Careful. Ferris wheel is departing. Do not run and catch the Ferris wheel, or you'll get hit.
Wheel of excellence. Uh-oh, Jelani's getting nervous. Going up like an elevator.
Even a helicopter.
Look behind you, Jelani.
Hmm?
Look behind you. Don't be scared.
Nah. I am brave. I can't see Georgia State University.
No? You see this Phillips Arena in the CNN building?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Right here.
Here's the CNN Center.
Next to
Phillips
train
Arena.
tracks and Georgia Dome.
And there's the Omni Hotel.
Yeah.
Where's the Georgia Dome?
Behind CNN Center.
Yeah. And then you have, yep, there's the Georgia Dome back there.
He's back there.
And then, where's Turner Field at?
I don't see it.
Far away from downtown Atlanta.
You see all the way over there?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's like up in Kennesaw and Marietta. And we live down that way.
Going
So-
down.
Oh, look how high we were.
Yeah.
Okay.
You scared of it, Jelani?
No.
Oh,
Me neither.
No.
Hey, Daddy.
Mhm.
In Atlanta, It's like freezing. It's like freezing cold in here. It's like freezing cold in Atlanta.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Please hold on. Ferris wheel is stopping.
It's not stopping yet.
It's gonna keep on going.
Uh-oh, it's going a little faster
Ah.
now.
Yeah.
If a Ferris wheel keeping too much faster, it will race like a race car.
That's some great shots.
Yeah.
Oh. Ooh, look at those little tiny people down there. Gelati is a scaredy cat.
I am brave. Downtown Atlanta with the MARTA buses.
Going up again.
You see the dragons and stuff over here?
Yes. Over there looks just like China.
It does, right?
China and Atlanta.
China is nowhere near Atlanta.
China is on the other side of the planet.
Yeah. Oh look, there's Coca-Cola
Where?
right over there.
That building there?
Yeah.
That's Coca-Cola?
Mhm.
You been in there before?
Yeah.
Where, what, your school?
Yeah. I went there when I was in elementary school.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this is Centennial Olympic Park right here.
Yeah.
Found a
And there's the
ring.
Christmas tree right there.
Where? Oh, okay.
Georgia Dome. Right there. Next to CNN Center.
I think this is it, guys.
Yes.
You see the horse and carriage?
Yeah.
That's Link. Please hold on. Ferris wheel is stopping. Please let the people go by.
Uh-oh. Looks like we get one more go around.
Repeats.
There's a Phillips Arena building right behind me.
Yeah, I told you that.
Mm-hmm.
There's the College Football Hall of Fame right there.
Yeah. There's a Hilton Garden Inn hotel right over there.
Yep.
I can't hear the link, babe, because I'm at the Ferris wheel.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Ah, it's stopping.
Uh-oh.
What happened?
Uh-oh.
We're stuck up there.
Uh-oh.
Second, it's like second floor.
What's wrong, Daddy?
Uh-oh. We're stuck, dude.
Oh no,
It's like second floor.
it's really bad.
No, we're not stuck. They're loading people in at the bottom.
Yeah.
And then when we get down, they're gonna let us out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Man, look at those tiny people down there.
Yeah, and
Wow.
those cars. Look at them racing.
And Marta buses.
Look at those cars racing down.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that bus is a streetcar. It's an electric train. Like,
Yeah.
you see it rides on the tracks on the ground.
Yes. GP, Georgia Pacific.
And that's the Omni Hotel.
Mm-hmm. You know what Georgia Pacific is?
Right here.
They make paper.
Yes. The Fort Edge is far away from here
Mm-hmm.
in underground Atlanta,
Yeah, it's just up there.
next to Marta.
Right.
I didn't see that building. That's the Equitable building.
Equitable.
Equitable. And right behind it is the AT&T building.
Yeah. Where?
Right behind it.
Yeah, I see it.
AT&T.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
It's like second floor
This is not the second floor. This is the rooftop.
rooftop.
Because we're all the way up high.
Yeah, and there's the people down there.
So what's this building here? This tall round one here.
I don't
Right
know.
there.
Right there?
Yeah. That's the Westin Hotel.
What? Yeah, that's the Westin Hotel.
Departing. It's departing. If the Ferris wheel getting too much faster, they are going to scream.
It's like we're landing in the helicopter.
You see all of these things right here? Those are
Yes.
solar panels
Mm-hmm.
on the top of the parking lot.
Yeah.
The train. Ding ding ding.
You hear it?
Yes.
It's about to depart. There it goes. Draw behind you.
Okay.
Streetcar.
That is it.